left Walmart. We got 3 cans of Freon. Hopefully once we get back to the house, we can jump on recharging this thing and get some air back, guys, because it is definitely well over 100 today. It's got to be like 105 or so in the heat index. So yeah, we need some air. This is crucial, guys. This is crucial. So as you can see, guys, there's nothing here but air in this line. There was no Freon in it. So what I'm about to do now, boys, is put this vacuum pump on the whole system, and this baby will take all of the air out of the system. And so basically what we'll do is we'll let this thing run for about 30 minutes, get all of the air like that we're breathing out of the system, put it in the negative, and that will allow, when you put straight Freon in, that'll keep all the air pockets out and keep the moisture out of the system. So it's been a little while, guys, probably about 40 minutes now. And I went ahead and tried to clean this interior out a little bit, did a little vacuuming and stuff, and just tried to get it a little more drivable. Again, I do plan on letting Raheem go through this thing and like really get the carpets and the seats, everything, because honestly, guys, somewhere along the line, and I'm pretty sure it might have been the previous owner, somebody owned fucking animals. I don't know if it was a dog or what, but the shed, it's just shedded everywhere all in the car everywhere. So it's just white hairs just on everything. So I was trying to get them out as best I could with my little baby shop vac over here from Harbor Freight, but it really probably need a stronger vacuum, or possibly even like just a shampooing would probably do better or something. But anyway, I did a lot to it. It's a lot better than it was, so I'm happy with that. Now we're gonna move on to charging the system. As you can see, after I vacuumed it for a few minutes, I let it sit for a while, and it's staying with a negative pressure, which is exactly what you want. Both sides are in the negative, -1, on both sides. So that means there's no leaks. So that's a good thing right there. So now I already took the vacuum pump off, and we got this little yellow line right here. This right here connects to this little fitting here, which then connects to one of the Freon cans. And once you connect it, you'll bleed it off via this little unit here. That'll get rid of the air that's in this line. And from there, you can open up your low pressure side and let it feed in. Side note, Scotty Kilmer says not to feed it all at once. Try to go kind of slow with it so that it doesn't overwhelm the compressor. So that's what we'll try to do. Just crack this baby just a hair, let it start feeding in, and just take your time with it. It's no rush, and there's no need to try to force a lot in at one time, because that could cause problems. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead, start filling the system up. This is the same, basically the same feeling that you'll get with the little blue hose kit that you can buy from like Advanced Auto or something. It's basically the same thing. This unit right here just threads onto your can of Freon. Remember guys, we got both valves turned off right now. So we're gonna turn this on. Now we can bleed off the excess up here, this section here. So, all right, now that we've done that, we'll go ahead and start the car, turn the AC on high, and we'll try to go ahead and start filling the system up. So I wound up putting 2 cans in this baby, which should equate to around 22 ounces. These say 12 ounces, but they're never really 12. They usually have a little bit of oil in them. The can does not specify if it does or doesn't, but just a guesstimation. I'm just gonna stick with the 2 cans. This system takes about 22 max, so 2 cans of this should be around that realm. And yeah, this thing is cold as fuck, guys. The AC is working absolutely amazing. So I guess we'll take it out and drive it around a little bit with the air on. Interested. I know when I use it on the van, I had a bunch of people ask me about it, but it's just an eBay special 3.5 CFM vacuum pump AC charge kit. I think when I bought it, it was like $80-something. It was like a little discounted and stuff, but yeah, it works great, man. And all the bigger guys have used it. I've seen so many YouTube videos on AC recharging that uses that exact same pump setup. So it definitely works great, guys. And for the price, you really can't beat it. So this thing is really cool in there, man. God, it feels good. This is supposed to be my daily. For those wondering about like the minivan is supposed to be like my weekend daily. So like with the family and stuff. And then for me going to work, this thing just kind of ticked all the boxes because it's just a stick shift. It's got a little bit of torque, and it's got the exhaust notes and stuff that I love, and it's lowered on some good coilovers. And I mean, it looks me like this is what everybody knows me for: a good old lower the cord with a little bit of noise, 2-step on point, and man, the A freaking C, the AC, guys, this is crazy. Modify the shifter to be shorter. just a lot of DIY stuff, man, of how you that might have a pretty basic setup can upgrade your stuff to be, you know, a lot more presentable, so to speak. All right, boys, so that's pretty much. You still recording? Says you are. That's pretty much gonna be a wrap, guys. The GoPro is dying and my phone is saying it's too hot outside to record. So I'm trying to shoot this outro, but yeah, we got the AC charged. I did get the inside sort of cleaned out. What I would like to get done is for Raheem to fully detail it, but for now, I mean, it's mediocre at best, but it will do. Another thing I was trying to do, I was trying to put a radio in here like one of my old Pioneers with Bluetooth and get rid of this classic ass Alpine, but I don't have any laying around, so I'm gonna just have to buy one, probably just get the media receiver, and that way I can do Bluetooth in here. Or I possibly might end up letting Jordan Distributors get on board, if they will, and get me a ghost box for it and just hide that somewhere behind the dash. Do like a clean block off look. I think that'll make it a little bit more sleeper mode, in my opinion. I thought I had more radios, but I guess I don't, so I'm gonna just have to wait till I can get one. But guys, with that being said, I'm gonna wrap this video up here. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Make sure you hit the like button for me if you're excited for the CD6. Make sure you subscribe if you're new, and I will catch y'all next time. Remember, respect all bills. Peace out.